Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya. In today's video I'm going to alter this photo frame to a nautical theme display. I don't know what it's gonna be in the end, but I have an idea and I hope I can translate it. And I'm going to use this amazing paper pad by Graphic 485 and it's called Ocean Blue. And since this is 9 by 9 inch, so the perfect size will be 8 by 8 inch. If this one 12, so I'm going to use 12 inch. So the images inside will be relatively matching, you know, the theme, or not the theme, sorry, the size of your canvas or your photo frame or anything that you're going to alter. So you'll not have, for example, we're going to use like large 12 by 12 inch paper to 9 by 9, you will feel that it's the images are a little bit bigger, you know, relatively, you know, comparing to the size for the actual canvas or photo frame. So I'm going to die cut, you know, some images because, you know, as I said, I have a theme or image how the final look for this for this photo frame. So yeah, so let's do some fussy cutting. After I fussy cut all my fishes, it's time to work on the photo frame. I bought this photo frame from Michael's and sometimes they have really good offers in all types and sizes of a photo frame. I'm going now to cover, so my idea is to cover all the sides of this photo frame using papers. So I took the measurements and everything and it's time to cut it. So I have here my paper trimmer and I'm not going to use this print, the octopus one. It will be the opposite side, this you know, tiny print, because all my images and all the work will be in the middle. So I don't want to have also images, you know, octopus or any sea creatures, you know, on the sides. It's time to glue the paper, so I'm using here multi-medium gel matte. This is from Ranger. You can use any types of glue that dries clear because you don't want to see this white glue roaming around. So I'm going to finish all the sides, the 4 sides, and even from the front. Then I will catch you later to see what we're going to do inside the photo frame. So here it is, my background. It's like cushion adhered to the cardboard. So I'm using a light blue, this one with the octopus, not octopus. I have it. Okay, you know this creature, jellyfish. Yes. I'm using a gel medium. It's better to use, I think, a glue gun in this time because this was fabric and it was really hard, you know, to glue them together, but I didn't think about it in that moment. Now the fun part. I'm going to use shrink film. You can use acetate or any recycled light plastic because my idea is I want to make a scene of 3D fishes swimming in the water. So here I'm cutting thin stripes with different length, so as if so many fishes, you know, are swimming, and I'm adhering them to the tip of the plastic or shrink film. I was not patient enough to wait till the fish is dry, then, to see how they gonna look like. Okay, so I will leave them dry, and I'm going to add the second, this wood thingy, this to keep, the glass sturdy, I believe. It was really hard to put it, I don't know why, but I managed to do it in the end. Now it's time to add some texture. I was looking for my glue spray, but I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna use a Mod Podge. This is also very strong, clear liquid glue, because I'm going to use some sequins. So I just spread some glue everywhere randomly. So when I spread the sequins, so it will be everywhere. Now I'm going to add the sentiment "You and Me and the Sea," also from the same paper collection. The mistake I did it here, that I didn't look for the back, for the back of the photo frame, because I put it the other side. You will see now here, you see. I said, no way, I'm not going to remove anything. I'm just gonna put it, on my office. And if I decided, to hang it, I would have, to take it, to redo it again, or, change the direction. Now it's time to work on the front of the photo frame. So I'm starting with, a stencil. I don't know the name of the stencil, but I'm going to leave the names and all products and supplies I used in the description box. Also, this silvery paste, they are amazing, very soft, and I use my hand to apply it. Anyway, when you use stencil or any paste, it gives you really another level of texture. So yeah, so I'm working now on the sides and also in the front. Now for the embellishment, I have here burlap paper, so I'm going to cut it in a thin stripes. So now it's time to arrange my embellishment. I don't glue anything. I just like to arrange all my embellishment and see how they're gonna look like. If I am, satisfied or happy with how they look like, I'm gonna take a photo, then remove everything and start to glue them. And I have, my photo reference. Now I'm using a chipboard to give me some dimension so I can raise up a little bit my sea creature. Also, I'm using a medical cloth, I think they call it, for extra texture. Now I start to glue all, my embellishments on my die cuts. And my final touch will be this beautiful blue beads. So I'm going again to use Mod Podge glue. So I'm gonna also put it in a random way. So I'm gonna have beads everywhere in a random way. Also, if you want put them in a specific way, of course you can do that. This process is really messy, but I have to do it. And here we go, we have the final project. I really love every single detail in this photo frame. And now it's difficult to go to the beach, but looking for this piece. I hope you like it and get inspired and give this collection a try and working on a nautical theme. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's a long video. And I will see you next time. Bye.